While the advancement of technology might offer a faster option for reading, there is less support for Braille due to the belief that technology such as screen readers can replace Braille. It is reported that about 1 billion people are suffering from blindness globally, including children. Blind children should be given the equal rights to have an easy access to education. Looking at the importance of Braille literacy among visually impaired children, children should have prior knowledge of Braille to be able to understand the translated vibration. Braille literacy is important for blind children to have a successful education and quality of life. Vibes presents a new methodology of assistive technology designed for blind children to read, by incorporating the concept of traditional Braille system and vibration. It translated the words into Braille pattern and eliminates the mainstream method. Vibes device is made from PLA plastic for a durable, and environmentally friendly material with a strong vibration unit, controlled via a microcontroller. The Android smartphone needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi to access the Firebase. Bluetooth is needed to communicate with Vibes device, which consists of microcontroller unit and vibration motor. It is portable, easy grip, has dual function, and the UI/UX design is crafted for the blind. This system consists of 3 main modules, which is microcontroller, mobile application and cloud service. The microcontroller are responsible to generate the vibration pattern. On the other hand, mobile application are used to retrieve data from Firebase, analyze it and send the data to microcontroller. Finally, cloud service are used to store the digital Braille book, which will be retrieved by the mobile app. Inspired by the traditional Braille system, a set of dots positioned by numbers from 1 to 6 are defined for the vibration pattern. The application will analyze the word into a Braille pattern and convert it to vibration. Various intensities are tested on the user to make sure that the difference between dots is noticeable. Longer and stronger vibration represents black dots, while shorter and weaker vibrations represent white dots.
Welcome to Vibes application. Listen to tutorial. User need to long press anywhere on the screen to activate the vibration. User need to press the stop button to stop the vibration. About Vibes application. Choose book. Book 1A. Search for paired devices. Connect to Vibes device. Successfully connected to Vibes device.
Vibes will give benefit to blind children, in helping them read digital storybook, through a mobile application, and a designated Vibes device. Assistive technologies have achieved important milestones in enhancing the quality of everyday life. This technology breakthrough allows users with disabilities to accomplish everyday tasks like normal people do. By using Vibe system, users no longer need to depend on expensive and bulky device to read. Only smartphones and Vibe's device